So we wanted to test how off-road this is. So press the latch, pull it in, and then this goes forward all the way around. And then right here it locks. And then there's like these plastic things here so you don't scratch the leather. Now to open it up, you press this over here, and then just lift that up. And then it's gonna lock in place. And that is how to fold and unfold Peg Perego Yipsi. Alright, so we just picked up this Peg Perego with the Primo Viaggo lounge car seat. So you need adapters for this. When you buy just the stroller, they do give you these adapters. If you lose them, it's 90 bucks, just so you guys know. So this is the Onyx black color. Now this hood also goes down a lot more than some of the other. See, it goes all the way down. See how flat he is? That's because this one's got the extra lounge position, and this hood goes all the way down. Like you pretty much can close it, right? Whereas the other one's stuck out here. It's leather stitching here. This part comes out. So if you're a taller person, then you can kind of come out. It does go up like another 6 inches, so that's good. Yeah. In terms of storage, there is a little zipper bag over here, so you can put something in here. Now down at the very bottom here, you see there's a lot of storage space. So if you're going for groceries, or even like right now we're kind of out in the water here, you can stick a lot of stuff. Like, so I'm gonna be flying some drone and playing with some boats. So to take the car seat out, you press this up. There's a little lever here. You press the other lever up, and then you just lift, and it just comes off. Okay, so now let's take this out. Should put the brake on. By the way, this here is a brake. So lift it up, and then it's gonna release the brake. So maneuverability is kind of easy. The wheels are made of rubber, they're not plastic, so you're gonna get a little more shock absorbency, so your baby's not gonna feel it as much. The back ones are big, also same thing. You do not really fill those with any air. It's just a big, thick piece of rubber. Now this one is made in Italy, so they obviously have a better, I don't know. Imported things are always better. But you can see right now we're not turning, so there is a locking thing right here. So if we unlock it, now we'll be able to turn this. See? How do you fold this stroller? First, you probably want to put these in. So you press this in, lower them. Of course, I have one hand, so it's a little tricky. But it's in. Now, we're going to basically pull this little latch in, press this up, and then this is going to go over. So press the latch, pull it in, and then this goes forward all the way around. And then right here it locks, and then there's like these plastic things here so you don't scratch the leather. Now to open it up, you press this over here, and then just lift that up, and then it's going to lock in place. And that is how to fold and unfold Peg Perego Yipsi. So we wanted to test how off-road this is, so we're kind of on this like, yeah. And I mean, you obviously can see that the baby's actually feeling some of the grunt of the ground. Can you turn? Easy? Or did you lock? Oh, I locked the sides. So you want to unlock the side, and then that's going to enable the wheel to turn quad like. Okay, so we folded it up, and I mean, it is a little big, but it was still, the wheels, the back wheels are the ones that are really big. Like we have a lot of stuff in this trunk, but because the wheels are rubber, it still closes.